got the devil in her heart, but her eyes they tantalize. She's gonna tear your heart apart. Her lips they really curly. I take my chances for romances. It's so important to me. She never hurt me, she won't desert me. She's an angel sent to me. She got a devil in her heart. No, no, it can't be leave. She's gonna tear your heart apart. No, no, she will deceive. I can't believe that she'll ever go. Not when she hugs and she shares, she loves me so. She'll never hurt me, she won't desert me. Listen, can't you see? She got a devil in her heart. Oh no, this I can't believe. She's gonna tear your heart apart. No, nay, she will deceive. But take chances with your romances, so important to you. You never hurt me, she won't desert me. She's an angel sent to me. She got a devil in her heart. Oh no, this can't be leave. She's gonna tear your heart apart. No, no, she will deceive. Got a devil in her heart. No, she's angel sent to me. No, she's devil in her heart. No, she's angel sent to me. Well, hi there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers again with hopefully yet another interesting old Beatles song for you called The Devil in Her Heart. Okay, originally done by someone else. This is a cover version. It wasn't written by the Beatles themselves. I think it was done by a band called the Donners, if I remember rightly. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as the original Beatles version. Okay, so it starts off with this very nice little double stop piece. Okay, so it's something like this. Okay, I'm playing it all on the third and the second strings. Okay, it starts up right up on the 14th fret of the third string, the G string, and the 13th fret of the second string, the B string. Okay, single, nice. It's a sort of a very quite a deliberate sort of. So you can hear both notes. It's not. It's sort of a bit slowly picked, right? Okay, so starts off on that 14th on the third, 13th on the second. Then it's 12th on the third and the second, and then down to the 10th on the second and 11th on the third. So it's okay. Then it takes that shape down to the 8th and 9th fret, 8th on the second, 9th on the third, and does that shape, and it takes it back up to the 10th and 11th, same shape, and back down to the 8th and the 9th. Okay, so 2 hits on that one. Okay, and then we end up on that, the 7th fret of the third and the second. Okay, so far. Okay, then we go take this shape down to the 5th fret of the third and the second. Okay, so now we've got okay. Then we go down to that one, that's the 3rd on the 2nd and the 4th on the 3rd. Okay, so now we've got this. Then we hit that one again, and then go back up to the 2 on the 5th fret, the 3rd string and the 2nd string. Right, so now we've got this. Back to this one again. 2 hits on that one. 2 hits on that, so now we've got this. So 2 hits on that one. Take it down a fret. So now on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string and the 3rd fret of the 3rd. And again, take the same shape down another fret, 1st fret of the 2nd, 2nd fret on the 3rd. Right. Open 3rd, open 2nd. And there we have it. Okay? So right from the beginning, slowly. Then it comes in with vocals, comes in with verse 1. She's got a devil in her heart is, I'm using, you can use bar chords for this, but I'm keeping it as simple as I can. Okay, so open chords for most of it. There's only one bar chord, okay. So A minor 7th is the first chord, so it's an A minor with the 3rd finger off, so open 3rd string, okay. Just the 2 fingers, 2nd on the 4th, 1st on the 2nd. 5 down to 1. Okay, so after you come out of that, she's a devil in a minor 7th, D7. Rise they turn to G. Now, this is optional. You can just carry on playing the G. Okay, so she's got the devil in her heart. But her eyes they tantalize. She's gonna tear your heart apart. Her lips they really fill me. Okay, that's the easy way to play it. Okay, if you want to sort of tart it up a bit, when you go to the G, there are a couple of suspendeds on the G. G, 1st finger going to the 1st fret of the 2nd string. So she's got a devil in a minor 7th, D7, but her eyes they tantalize. Got that? Right. Right, so it's let's do it. Da, 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 da. I can't do it when I try and do it slowly. Let's try again. She's got a devil in her heart, but her eyes they tantalize. That's it. Right. So it's single stroke on G, then suspended. Take it off. Right, got that? Right. Okay, got the idea? That's the thing, and so it just repeats the whole thing twice for the verse. Okay, she's got the devil in A minor 7, D7, but her eyes they tantalize. She's gonna tear your heart apart. Oh, her lips they really thrill me. And this time you stop after that G at the end of the first verse, and then you do this. That. Now you can do that with your pick. I was using a pick and a finger. It's up to you. But what it is basically is 2 open strings, 3rd and 2nd together. Then the 1st fret on the 2nd string and the 2nd fret on the 3rd string. Right. And then up 2 frets to the 3rd fret on the 2nd, 4th fret on the 3rd. 2 hits on all of them. Okay. Okay, 2 opens, 2nd and 3rd string, So you stop the G on the second half of the verse, and then do that, and you go into a C chord. Okay, so she got the devil in her heart, but her eyes they tantalize. She gonna tear your heart apart, oh her lips they really fill me. Okay, so you can either do it with your pick, or you can pick the third string with your pick and pluck the second string with your finger, which is what I was doing. Or you can go slightly different sound, same notes but slightly different sounding, whichever you want to do. So into a C chord, I'll take my chances, then you go to a C minor. This is the only bar chord in it, 3rd fret bar chord, the way I'm playing it anyway, 3rd fret bar minor shape. Or you could play a simple C minor without the bar, like that, if you wanted to. 3rd fret, top E string, 1st fingers, 4th fret on the 2nd string, and then 5th fret on the 4th and 3rd strings. But you can only play the 4 down to 1 doing that. But it's fine, because here's where it goes. I'll take my chances for romances. But obviously I like to get the bassy notes in as well, so I play the bar chord again. It's up to you, whichever you want. Okay, so from the beginning of the chorus, C, I'll take my chances, C minor, for all romances, G, you're important to me. Then the run up again, same as before, C, you never hurt me, C minor again, you won't desert me. Now an A7. She's an angel sent, D7. So it's an A7, it's an A chord with the open 3rd string. G, D7. It stops and then it comes in again for the next verse. Okay, so we'll go right from the beginning and do the first verse and the first chorusy bit. Okay, so here we go. She's got the devil in her heart, but her eyes they tantalize. She's gonna tear your heart apart, oh her lips they really fill me. They take my chances for romances, so important to me. Hurt me, she won't desert me. She's an angel sent to me. She's got the devil in her. Say it's exactly the same heart. No, this I can't believe. She's gonna tear your heart apart. No name she will receive. I can't believe that she'll ever go. When she hugs me, she does. No, slightly different here. So it just starts. This is like the middle bit, I suppose. Slightly, it's the same, but it's slightly different. C. I can't believe that C minor she'll ever go. G. Not when she hugs me, and G7 you could play there. Change it to a 7th. Putting your 1st finger on the 1st fret of the top E string. So, from the beginning, I can't believe that C minor never ever go. G, not when she hugs and says G7, she loves me so. C, she never hurt me. C minor, she won't desert me. A7, to listen to can't be seen. Okay, got the idea? Slightly different middle bit, but it's instead of playing it twice, you only do it once, and then you do a G7 instead of it. Okay, so just once more through this second middle section, if you like, coming out of the second verse. No, she will deceive. Right, take it. C, I can't believe C minor that she'll ever go. G, not when she hugs and says G7, she loves me so. C, She'll never hurt me, C minor. She won't desert me, A7 to listen, and D7. And the usual, she's got the devil in her heart. Oh no, no, this I can't believe. She's gonna tear your heart apart. No, nay, she will deceive. And the usual thing. Don't take chances if your romance is so important to you. Run up. She never hurt me, she won't desert me. A7, angel, D7, B. She got the devil in her heart. No, no, this I can't believe. She's gonna tear you apart. No way she's there to deceive. Carry on. She's got the devil in her heart. This is the outro. No, she's an angel sent to me. She's the devil in her heart. No, she's an angel sent to me. Okay, the ending. So you come out of that, and the first, she's got the devil in her heart, is the standard one, right? She's got the devil in her heart, D7. No, no, this I can't believe. She's gonna tear your heart apart. No, nay, she will deceive. Keep going. She's got the devil in her heart, D7. She's the angel sent to stop on G. Okay, so she's got, this is the last, very last chorus. She got the devil in her heart to coming out. She got the devil in her heart, D7. She's an angel sent to stop on G, and then you do this. Right. Right, so it's one double pluck on the 5th fret of the 3rd and 2nd strings together. You can either do it with one finger or 2 fingers. Then down to the 3rd fret on the 2nd and the 4th fret of the 3rd. So it's some 2 hits on that one. It's just like the end of the intro, okay? So one on that 5th fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings. Then that one, 2 hits, down one, open. Just like the end of the intro, okay? So that comes after, which you got there in the heart. No, she's an angel sent to me. She's the devil in her heart. No, she's an angel sent to me. And we're finishing with a G ninth. Okay? And to play that, it's basically you bar the top 3 strings, the 1st string, the 2nd string and the 3rd string on the 10th fret with your 3rd finger. 1st finger goes to the 9th fret of the 4th string, the D string, and your 2nd finger goes to the 5th string on the 10th fret, and you just strum from 5 down to 1. Okay, G ninth. So that last chorus again. So the one before it, you don't stop, you just keep playing the G where it goes. Let's do the last 2 choruses, okay? She's got a devil in her heart. No, 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 this I can't believe. She's gonna tear your heart apart. No, may she will deceive. Keep going. She's got the devil in her heart. No, she's an angel sent to me. She's the devil in her heart. No, she's an angel sent to me. And there you have it, boys and girls, my take on the Beatles song, or cover version of Devil in Her Heart. Okay, thanks very much for watching, listening. Hope that you enjoyed that one, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.